In this video, I will show you that how to create a new space in Zoho Analytics. So first of all, open your Zoho Analytics web page. So as you can see, this is the official website of Zoho Analytics. The first thing you need to do here, sign in. You can sign in from this profile section. Just you need to write your email ID and password. And after that, you can easily access Zoho Analytics. So as you can see, this is the home page of Zoho Analytics. Here you can import your data to create a new space. You will get two options. You can either tap on the plus icon or click the import data button. Let's do press on plus icon and select new table / import data. So here you can see there are multiple options to import your data. You can choose any source from where you want to bring your file. For an example, I will choose here Google Drive. So simply search Google Drive and simply tap on it. Now here you need to give table name. So for an example, I will write here A, B, C, D, and from here you get an write a description about the file name. Okay. Now simply come on the browse section and choose the file which you want to import. For an example, I want to import this file. So simply tap on it and click on OK. Now tap on next here. So here as well, we just want to click on next to continue. Simply tap on next. Now here simply tap on create to finish the import process. Here you can also schedule your import if you want Zoho Analytics to automatically update your data at regular intervals. But if you don't want to schedule it, simply click on close and then go back to the export section. So as you can see here, it says workspace successfully created. That's how easily you can create a new workspace in Zoho Analytics. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials.